Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here and welcome to day number 174. It looks like a pretty good day today, so we'll just jump right into this here. Copy that command, go to good old Mr. Grok, paste that in there, and I don't know why my text-to-speech is coming on. Anyways, we'll go back here and we will copy that. We'll put this number in here. And we'll go to the exchange, grab this number here. So 726717. 7267.17. Let me just double check that. So 5717. I'm not sure if that was it. 67. Okay, good thing I didn't make that mistake there. Okay, so there you go. And then we'll click on the arrow, and that'll give us our daily percentage for today, which should be over 0.50. Yeah, 0.52%. Now we'll move on to the exchange token analysis. It's the same as like yesterday, basically. This is an amazing buying opportunity for you. We could start trading down here, guys. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. We want this token as low as possible because then it's cheap for you to buy. Once it gets, as I said yesterday, once it gets in between these two blue lines again, then it'll probably go up. If it stays below the bottom blue line, then that's awesome. That's what we want, right? So we'll get going here. We will go to trade history and we'll go through all the trades. So today's the 29th. So we're looking for the 28th. Let's see, 28th here. Yes, on page number 4. So let me write this down. We're on page 4, as always, normally. And we've got one trade here, which is a profitable trade. So to the next page, we've got a profit. There's a loss right there. So there's our first loss. And we had one trade on page 4. I'll just write that down as well. And then we've got profit, profit, profit. Next page, you can see it's doing $100 gaps because the market's going down. And then we've got profit, 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 profit. To the next page is a profit, 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 profit. Then the next page is a profit, profit, profit. There's a loss. So there's 2, and that's a profit there. And here we are here at that's a loss right there. So that's 3. And then we've got profit, loss, 4, and profit, profit. To the next page, and we should be getting close to the 27th, but we've got, that's a loss, so that's 5. We've got a profit, 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 and this should be the 27th, I would think. Yeah, there's the 27th there. Okay, so this is a loss, so that's 6, and then we've got profit, 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 and that's the 27th there. So page number 11 has 4 trades on it. Okay, so we'll count those 4 trades at the end. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that page there. So 6 times 5 plus 4 plus 1 is what we need to do. We had 1 trade on page 4 and then 4 trades on page 11 and then 6 times 5. For all the other pages there, 5 trades per page. So 35, which is not that bad. That's pretty good. Did a lot of trading. Didn't have too many losses, only 6 out of the 35 trades. So 35, and then this number here is 6, and this is going to give us our win rate, which should be 80%, like 80 something, yeah, 82.60 or 82.86%. So copy that. Go make my thumbnail here for the video. Oops. Here, I'll just type it out. 82.86. And then this guy here was it 52? I think so. 52. And then today is 174. So that's it for today's video. Also here, I'll go over here and do the withdrawal of the profit. And there you go there. And then I'll shoot on over here, do the withdrawal of my commission. So 19 bucks there today. And that's good. And then I'll show this down here. I like to show the how much more team. So I got like 15,000 more to go in team turnover, and then I'll get the 4,000 USDT bonus. This here, guys, between my commission and my daily earnings, it's pretty much 50 to 70 USDT a day, which is pretty good, right? In some countries, here, I'll just add this to here. In some countries, you could live off that, right? Like a single person, say in Thailand or something, you could live off 70 US a day, easy, right? It's super, super cheap. Vietnam as well, $70 US a day. You could live off that. Of course, Canada or maybe the US, you can't live off $70 a day. That's like, you know, if I just go out and eat lunch, it costs me about $70, $100 or so, right? If I go and eat a proper lunch, like we're not talking about like McDonald's or fast. You know, it's good, guys. It can, you know, I don't want to say it can change your life or whatever, but if you focus on it, you promote it, and then you have a sizable deposit in it, it can do pretty good for you. And here's the thing, you don't have to think like, oh, is this real, right? Because you can see everything. Once you go and you test things out with your $100 deposit in here, you can see, you can do the exact same thing that I've been doing in this video here. You can go to the spot, you can go to the chart, and when it places a trade, you can see the bot trading in your account, right? Then you can go over to the trade history. You can check that trade in the trade history. You can confirm everything with your own eyes. You don't need to watch these videos and just watch me say, oh, look, it's real type thing. You can see with your own eyes that it's real there, okay? So that's it from me for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in tomorrow's review video there.